Hooked on Pickin here. Yes, I'm buried in boxes. All of these boxes are either 888 lots orders or my own personal shopping. But we can't tell the difference because they're not labeled any different. So you're either going to see what my addiction is with shopping, or you're going to find out what's in the 888 lots orders. So 888 lots does a deal with Amazon where it gets shipped directly from Amazon. So we have all of those usually shipped to our other location just because we're always there and present all the time. Here at the business one, they would have no place to put it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox literally every single box that you see in front of you or bag and find out what is inside. All right, let's just start with the easiest. We're going to just peel open these, find out what's inside. What is this? Loud alarm clock.
Boom.
Modern digital alarm clock.
For heavy sleepers, Heather.
One large alarm clock.
That's from 888 lots.
Okay, perfect.
Everybody needs a loud alarm clock.
Listen, I need one. I have one that the beeping gets faster, so it sounds like there's a bomb about to go off in my room. And still I sleep through it sometimes. I don't know why. I don't do anything.
I know.
Sleep. Catch by me, wasn't it?
Usually you would say you'd sleep when you're dead, but you don't sleep when you're dead.
You really don't sleep when you're dead. Ooh, is this is another 888 lots. Rechargeable hair clipper.
Boom.
Boy, that's super nice. All of these things are going to go on hookedonpickin.com. They'll probably go in either the health. That's going to go in health and beauty.
Yep.
The alarm clock will go in home and kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll be able to find all these things on hookedonpickin.com.
It's nice.
Yeah, that is.
This was a special they were running, so I bought a bunch.
Long skinny box. Come on now. What is it? It's a dustbuster vacuum. Ta-da!
Boom.
Handheld cleaner. Dustbuster.
Beautiful.
I think Dustbuster's the actual company name. So
I think you're right.
I think that's why they have to call it a handheld cleaner.
It's like Kleenex.
Kleenex, yeah.
Kleenex is a brand name. Facial tissue is what it really is.
Facial tissue.
Who
Ritz
says
crackers.
facial
Everybody
tissue?
calls it Ritz crackers.
Yep.
You get the off-brand, it's Cracker Rounds.
Yep.
All right, hold on. We're going to go down here because I'm too short. All right, what is this? This is definitely 888 lots, I think. Commercial outdoor string lights. Ooh.
I don't remember buying that.
Well, I didn't buy it, so it's clearly something you bought.
48-foot commercial outdoor string lights.
Yeah. It's got 2 boxes of something in it. Cool. We're going to put it online.
I don't know. Does it have a little tag in it? Yeah, read that tag and tell me what that tag says.
The tag says...
Every once in a while this happens.
48-foot outdoor string lights, commercial grade, weatherproof.
You
don't remember buying these?
No. Oh, well.
Well, we'll check 888 lots and
Well,
see if it's there.
Hopefully I got a good deal.
You spent $50 on them and they're only worth $20.
Yep.
That's happened to us before.
That's happened.
All right, let's do this one. This is another one of those retractable hair clippers.
I think those are going to go good.
So we're doing so many boxes because we kind of assumed that was going to happen.
Yeah.
We're gonna get multiple of the same item. But we also want to get all of our quantity, make sure it's correct, and make it all available as quickly as possible, too. Okay, what is in this one? This feels squishy. I just broke whatever it is by pushing on it.
Crunch.
Crunch. Ooh, Quilts queen set. Quilts sell really well, and this one is so pretty. Look at it. I kind of really get an idea of what it looks like.
Very cool.
Isn't that pretty? Twin size and 1 standard sham. That's really pretty. Good choice, Paul. All right. Now this one, I think I opened up at home because I thought it was one of my own.
Boom.
And I was like, why did he order really loud alarm clocks for us?
I'm going to hide them all around the house.
I think you should.
This summer, first day that the kids don't have to go to school, I'm going to have these loud alarm clocks go off everywhere.
At like 5:30 in the morning.
It's going to be beautiful.
Yep.
Underneath their bed, in their closet, in a dresser drawer.
Bathroom cupboard.
Bathroom cupboard. They will lose their mind. It'll be a beautiful experience. The Lord will grow them through it, I'm sure.
Or they'll just murder you.
They could murder me in my sleep. Of course, I'll be awake because the alarm, so.
Right?
I'll see them coming.
All right. What else we got in here?
Hey.
This is a climbing car. It goes upstairs.
And you control it with your hand.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, wait, there's something else in here. What is this?
That is a outdoor camera.
Oh, like a trail cam?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I was hoping it was coming in its box.
Clearly not.
I'm a little miffed at that, but...
Well, we'll see if it works, and maybe we can fire sale it then.
Yeah, true.
Or we can put it on just saying it doesn't have its original box. Let's see. Yeah. Remote control big monster car, and then the Metapraise Pro Trail camera. I'm going to keep this with this because
good idea.
That way I know what it's called. All right. Lots of little air bubbles for extra packing. All right. Here was another one that I thought was my own personal purchase.
And she was wrong.
And I was wrong. What is this? A little pot. That's a deep pot.
There you go.
3/4.
Heather found pot in the box.
I did. Found some pot.
Buying pot on Amazon.
Yep.
It's going to happen.
It is going to happen.
Right here. Advanced bronze pot. $1,000.
$1,000.
It's advanced.
Advanced pot.
I can't remember what deal I got on this. Hopefully it was decent. Shipping is going to be a little difficult on this one, though. It's bigger. Might go in the store.
All right. I'm waiting down here.
Sorry, Heather. I was
Enamored with pot.
I was on pot. Cue drug-related joke here.
Cue.
We don't have cue cards. We just have.
We never use cue cards. What you see is
nothing
what you
is
get with us.
scripted. Nothing is scripted.
It's scripted.
We don't know what we're doing.
Okay, this has a lot of stuff. Hold on, I'm gonna.
We are having fun though.
Yep. Okay, hold on.
Throw those at Heather. Oh, they didn't throw.
Okay. We have a bunch of these, whatever these are. These are.
I need one.
It's a little blender.
It's a baby blender.
It's a little portable juice mixer.
Mini bottle juicer.
That box is a little rough.
$1,000. Don't you
good,
talk
though.
about rough boxes.
These are good though.
These are beautiful. Look at them.
They're really
so
cool.
cute.
Hey, look.
Vitamer.
One of those.
Another alarm clock. This is another hair trimmer.
Yep, another hair
Boom.
trimmer. What is this?
Are those lights again?
Clearly you bought these.
Okay. They're probably $1,000 a piece.
$1,000 a piece.
48 feet is a lot.
It is.
48 feet. Foot.
That's 4 foot. 48 feet.
Yeah,
I was
that's
thinking inches, but
no, 48 feet.
Feet.
That's a long time.
That is a long time.
It's a long time, too.
Distance.
You
we
could
have 3 of those.
I don't know if I was thinking you put these up in the evening in your carport and stuff.
We
your
have some in
patio.
our carport. We love
do.
them.
Yeah, we use it all the time. We need to.
Well, it's either freezing or 900 degrees.
Yeah.
So.
Of course, we should have some nice evenings coming up.
We're gonna have some nice evenings. We'll probably
when we're
do
not
some
at a
going out.
softball game, concert, something.
That'll end
something.
soon, maybe. Then we'll weep
something.
bitterly when it's all done and over with. All right. That is
Dustbuster.
one big box for another dustbuster.
That's how Amazon rolls, though.
Yeah, they like to waste their cardboard, but that's okay. We'll take
What
their
I think is
cardboard.
happening is 888 Lots has got the deal with Amazon, so
Feels a little bit like drop shipping, but I
a
don't
little. It's got a
not
little
exactly.
something to that, but they were running a special, and I took them up on their special.
Bonkers. What is this? It's a meat cuber, tenderizer,
Look at
jerky,
that thing.
slicer. That
These
thing
things
is,
are expensive too.
They are expensive.
That one might be in the store. You think? Because that's going to be a
pretty
heavy dog.
Well, we do have the box to ship it.
Yeah. Well, it only cost me $1 to ship it to me, though.
Oh yeah,
That
it'll
was
cost
the
a lot
special.
more than $1 for
Yeah.
us to ship it.
Yeah.
We're not Amazon. We don't
No.
have those perks. Although we do have over $100 free shipping.
We do.
All right, what is this? Oh, are these more of those? No,
More
this
cars?
is a different kind of car, isn't it?
Different colors, probably.
Yeah. Are these? No, these have regular remote controls with them.
Cool.
4-wheel drive, all-terrain. climb
Drift
truck.
Climbing King.
Yeah.
So something fun for the summer.
Yeah. All right, we're slowly knocking it down here.
You're doing a great job, Heather.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That was her Elvis impersonation. Did you catch it? She's the king. Or queen.
I'm the queen of this unboxing.
Is it
These are more
outdoor lights?
Clearly, you bought some outdoor lights. Do you not remember buying these?
Not at all. But I must have.
These are cool. These are like the ones we have in our car.
They are neat.
Yeah. They're pretty.
Are those the same kind?
These ones? 48.
Yeah, 48 feet. Great. We have cornered the market on 48-foot lights.
Yep. Light your outdoor space. Or your indoor space. Who knows? You want to tell the folks what you're going to go do today?
Oh, we're going to check out solar panels today.
For a house.
Yeah, I have a company coming out. Check it out and see.
So if you know anything about solar panels...
Yep. I've talked to a few people at church that have solar panels, whatnot, so...
Yeah, one of the...
I'm curious to see.
One of the families runs their whole farm on solar panels.
That'd be awesome.
Oh, is this one? This is another meat tenderizer
Boom.
thing.
We're going to tenderize some meat.
Tenderize the meat. Perfect for grilling time.
Yeah.
Is this another meat tenderizer?
Could very well be.
I feel like it's a meat tenderizer.
You never know what it's going to be.
Ta-da!
Meat tenderizer. I've cornered the market. Yeah, the special they were running is shipping was only $1 for large items. So I bought a few exercise bikes. I think they're in the back of the vehicle right now. They're not going to be good to ship, but...
Yep, here's another one. Is there anything else?
Meat tenderizers.
There we go. That's it.
Well, actually, that didn't take too long.
No, it really didn't. There's one more giant... Did you move the giant box already that was sitting over by the UPS stuff?
That one? You want to go open it? It's in the store area.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, we can go open it. How are you going to get around all the boxes?
I'm
just going to let her do that. Look at all of our mess and trash everywhere.
Yes.
One day.
Yes.
We don't have a dumpster.
Currently still...
I need my dumpster.
Dumpster saga continues.
The dumpster saga was supposed to be delivered today. Guess what? It was not delivered yet.
All right, so we have a bit... Oh, yeah, this big
Boom.
box. Here, let me turn the lights on real fast. You can show them the beautiful space we got going on there.
Yep. Boom.
We've got some holes in where our shoes are.
Yes, we do.
Some shoes.
People buy shoes every day they come in. They buy shoes.
Open this giant box.
I've had one person buy shoes every single time they've come in.
There we go.
It's going to be $1,000 something.
When are you ordering that massage chair?
Yeah, that massage chair isn't being ordered right now.
I need a massage chair in my life.
Ooh, what do we got here?
What is this?
What do we got? Watch your knife there, girl.
Power Seeker. Celestron?
Oh, yeah. Not even sure what it is.
Is this a bike?
Could be a bike.
Did it have a little flip?
Might want to open that box.
Okay, this is says it's supposed to be a Celestron Power Seeker telescope.
Oh my word, it's a telescope? What did I buy? Just be careful. I'm hoping there's a box in a box. Does that make any sense to anybody?
Well, this was a box in a box.
That's not what I meant.
Why? What? I don't understand.
I'm hoping there's a box inside that box. Yes, that's what I wanted. Look at that sweet thing there.
Here, let me flip it around.
Or I could just turn around. I'm going to turn.
Okay.
Look at that.
That's cool.
This was more expensive.
Yeah.
And it's a beast of a thing to ship. So it's probably going to go in the store.
We'll keep this box just in case we want to.
Yeah, keep the box just in case. But look at that.
How cool is that?
We are going to see the stars, or somebody is. $1,000. You can see the stars.
All right, well, that was the unboxing of the mountain of boxes. You'll be able to find majority of it online, except for some of the really huge stuff. So probably not the meat tenderizer and not the telescope, at least for right now. But everything else we'll go ahead and put online. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.